Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see JEE main max question. Look at the question. Let x comma y comma z is greater than 1. Then a is equal to 1 log y to the base x log z to the base x. Second row log x to the base y 2 log z to the base y. Third row log x to the base z log y to the base z 3. Then what is the value of determination of adjoint a square? Okay. How to do it? First we need to know log y to the base x. How we can write? Log y to the base x means log y over log x. This is a log y to the base x. We can write like this. Okay. Then the same question, this one we can rewrite this one we can write log x to the base x. Okay, log x to the base x. 2 we can write log y to the base y, because log x to the base x value is 1. 2 log y to the base y value is, log y to the base y is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. So 3 log z to the base z. This we can rewrite like this. Log x, log y, log z. The same way log y, log y, log z, log y. Log z, log z, log z. The base, what is there, I make it denominator. I make it as a fraction. Now, this is log y to the base x, log z to the base x, sorry. Here the x only, log y to the base x only, I am writing. Z log is z to the base x, the base x are right here. Now you see in the first row, 1 over log x is, we can take out. The second row, 1 over log y you can take out. Third row, 1 over log z we can take out. So we can do this one. 1 over log x, log y, log z. It is a simple way for me. For your people, you have to write it. Okay. So now log x, log y, log z. Log x, 2 log y, log z. Log x, log y, log z. Then what we can do next? Take log x here, this side. Then log y here, log z here, log x in C1, log y in C2, log z in C3. Then what will come? Log x, log y, log z, be 1, 1, 1. It will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3. Then we can easily find out the value for this one. This will be 1 if your denominator or numerator denominator is same. So 1 is equal to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then minus 1. Minus 1 is 3 minus 1, 2. Then 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1. So 5 minus 2 minus 1, so it will be 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Okay, it is a simple one. Just we have to make it log y to the base x, we have to make it log y over log x, that's all. Then how to take it adjoint a square? Then they are asking this value. Adjoint a square will be, this adjoint if you want to take out, it is a4. Then adjoint a4 will be a8. So 2 power 8. Adjoint here, when you take out, okay, this step I will write it. But adjoint a square. This adjoint if you take out, it will become adjoint a power 4. This square is 4. Then this adjoint if you take out, a power 8. 4 square is 8. So a8 is 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is 256. Or we can finish 2 power 8. Copy down.